In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to activate eSIM on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone supports eSIM and that your mobile carrier offers eSIM service. Also verify that your iPhone is not carrier locked if you're trying to activate an eSIM from a different network. Next, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi network. An internet connection is required to download and activate your eSIM profile. Then restart your iPhone and try the activation process again. Next up, if you are using a QR code, go to Settings, Cellular, tap Add eSIM, then scan the QR code provided by your carrier. Next up, reset network settings. For that, go to General. Scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now head over to the option About. If a carrier setting update pop-up appears over here, click on Update. If activation still fails, go to Settings, then Cellular. Remove any incomplete or inactive eSIM profile if one appears. Restart your iPhone and then try adding the eSIM again. If you are transferring an eSIM from another iPhone, ensure both devices are nearby, connected to Wi-Fi, sign in with the appropriate Apple account if required by your carrier, and running a recent version of iOS. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. You'll be able to activate your eSIM. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.